Oh, boy! I've been waiting all year for this. The World Championship West Lapland Dog and Crayfish Show. Now, let's see if I've got everything. Chips, soda, water, fruit smoothie, ice mango surprise, peanut butter crackers, T-bone steak, microwavable cheesy wheeze, fan, heater, room deodorant, pillow, blanket, beak warmer. Perfect. Everything I need for complete comfort. Huh? Ow! It's just a feather.
Welcome to the 357th Annual West Lapland Dog and Crayfish Show.
Talk about perfect timing. Where'd you go? All right, that's it, Buster. Now I got you. No, try to outsmart me, huh? Hey, no feather's gonna make a... Say, what are these doing in here? This is the last straw. Just you wait. Yeah, I'll find you and boy when I do.
Honestly, Woody, that's the last time I come over for Christmas dinner.
Up next, Snowball from Zaslov.
Woohoo! That's my girl. Go, Snowball, go! Wait a minute. Feathers are from birds. That's it. Winter's sure coming early this year. Woo! Me and my feathers are heading south before it gets any colder. Gotcha!
Next up, Molly from Maccabee.
My television!
And the crowd goes wild as Molly from Maccabee wins the show. Hush now as she makes her way to the winner's box.
Just in time to see Molly take home the gold. Too hard. Now this is living.